In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable multi-currency in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll have automatic exchange rates turned on so your foreign currency transactions stay accurate without manual updates. Let's keep it simple and clear. First, open your browser and go to books.zoho.com. This is the direct sign-in page for Zoho Books. If you're prompted to log in, that's expected. Use your organization's account so you have access to settings. It also helps to make sure you have the right permissions. Typically, admins or users with access to organization settings can make this change. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen for a small gear icon. This is your settings menu in Zoho Books. Click that gear icon. If your screen is busy with lots of options, don't worry, this gear consistently lives in the top right, and it's the quickest way to reach all configuration areas. From the settings page, click currencies. This section is where Zoho Books manages your home or base currency and any additional currencies you work with. Even if you haven't used multiple currencies before, this page is the control center for activating features that support international sales and purchases. On the currencies page, click Enable Exchange Rate Feeds. Turning this on tells Zoho Books to automatically fetch and apply current exchange rates from its integrated provider. That means when you issue an invoice, record a bill, or log a payment in a different currency, the system can fill in the latest rate for you. It reduces manual data entry, helps prevent typos, and keeps your financial reports more consistent across currencies. After you enable exchange rate feeds, you'll typically see rates auto-populate wherever a foreign currency is involved. If a brief confirmation or notice appears, that's normal. It's just Zoho Books confirming the feature is active. Keep in mind, the base currency you use for reporting remains the same. This setting doesn't change that. It simply ensures that conversions into your base currency are kept up to date. A few practical tips to round things out. If you don't see the currencies option or the exchange rate setting, check your user role with your account administrator. Also, exchange rates can shift throughout the day. Automatic feeds keep you aligned with current market data. But if your business relies on fixed or contract rates, make sure your internal policies reflect that. Finally, after enabling the feed, glance at a recent foreign currency transaction to confirm the rate appears as expected. That's it. You visited bookszoho.com, opened the gear icon, went to currencies, and enabled exchange rate feeds. You're now set up for smoother, more accurate multi-currency accounting in Zoho Books.